Hello, my name is Bart Kamski and this is Unreal Engine 3 minutes tutorial how to make this cool thing, where you can spawn spheres and set up its number, its radius and even its offset. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's create an actor. Let's name it spawner. Let's open it. Let's go to construction script and drag from construction script and type loop. Let's select for loop. Now let's get last index promoted to variable and name it number. Let's compile and set up number value to 10 by default. And let's drag from loop body and type static mesh. Here we go. Let's add static mesh. Let's select sphere here. Remember to select sphere that is 100 times 100 times 100, and if you can see it, probably you don't have show engine contact selected. Okay, now let's get the number and get to float, because we have to change it to float. Let's drag from float and type divide, and we have to divide 360 by this value, so I drag with Ctrl pressed to get this line from up to bottom, and I divide it by 300. Then I get the index from for loop and I multiply it by float and I connect it here. Now I have to get rotate vector node, and I split vector and I promote x value to variable and name it radius and set up the radius to 500 by default. Now I split this value and I have to connect this to the z-axis, but I need to add offset first, so I add node here, and here I have to map because I want to have my offset in range between 0 and 1 and it always be 1 item offset. So I have to map this value. So I promote the value to offset public variable and set up its default slider and variable range between 0 and 1. That will be simpler to set it up. And now we have to, this one have to be 1 and this one as well has to be here. And now let's get our static mesh component, split struct pin and set up here, connect to location. Okay, here we go. Oh, one more thing, we have to make our variables public. That's important, so we can set it up here. Yep, everything works. Okay, that was my Unreal Engine 3 minutes tutorial. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to gain 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.